Hello, it's Rhonda Kitchens, your librarian. It is another database, a day in May. I'm going to go to G in our list of 130 databases. I'm going to gardening, landscaping, and horticulture. This is published by Gale. Of course, the title tells you pretty much what it wants to cover. So if you go here, you can make all sorts of decisions below here, but I like to go in big. And I'm going to go in with maybe something that's a local. This may be too big, but I'm going to go in with potato. I can add other keywords to narrow down my search, but usually I like to go in big and then find keywords to narrow it down. If you did not select full text on the first page, you can do so here. These will be the different types of articles you can go into. This will list out some subjects that you may also look into to narrow down your topic. And you can often change the dates as well if you want something more current. This is in Mother Earth News. That's a consumer gardening magazine that's very popular with people with home chicken coops that are trying to do things and grow on the land. And this is a very brief article. And that is the actual full text. Sometimes students don't think that it is. So in this particular magazine, it is very brief. Look at the number of words, 111. That's shorter than what's expected when you're writing annotation. Let's look at this one. This one has 2,200, so that's going to be much larger. You can translate it, listen to it, and do all sorts of other things, include if you come up here, cite it. If you're working on a project on how to grow things or trying to learn some things about agriculture, even as it applies to your home or setting up at a farmer's market, this will be a great database for you to work with. And I hope you enjoy it.